how are you, all my students and my leaders? Assalamu alaikum. Today I will tell you about the life stakes of life and how cell has evolved itself. Scientists are believing that cell has evolved itself in the sea area because there was not better atmosphere for the cell to survive itself on the earth or in the atmosphere. So cell has taken birth in the sea area and it is survived in the sea area as scientists are believing. So I get to start and tell you something about the life stakes of life. So the first stake of life is atom. An atom is the smallest unit of any element. Like the wood, it is made up of atoms because whenever it is dyed, then it changes itself in atoms. Firstly, it is made up of cells. So another stake is molecule. How molecule is found? Molecule is found when there is the combination of two or more than two atoms. Then a molecule is formed. So I give you an example of molecule like water. It is just the combination of two atoms, two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Then water is formed. Another step of life is cell. How cell is found? Cell is found when there's the combination of two or more than two molecules. Then a cell is formed. Tissue. This is another step of life. Tissue. How tissue is formed? Tissue is found when there's the collection, a huge collection of smooth cells. Then it is found. Okay, there is another step of life, that is organ. How organ is formed? Organ is formed when there is the a lot of collection. It means smooth cells are in a great quantity, then when they combine together, then they form organ. So another stake of life is organism. How organism is formed? When there is the huge collection of organelles, or you can say also organs. When they combine together, then they form an organism, like humans and birds and etc. Okay, so there is another step of life, that is population. Now what is population? When there is no interaction of other organism of an like plants. If there is no any interaction of other organisms like birds, omnivores or herbivores or carnivores, then we can call population. That is called population when there is no any interaction of other organisms. Okay, now another stake of life is present, that is community. How community is formed? Community is formed when there is the interaction of all the organisms, when they eat each other's, when herbivores eat plants, when birds eat so many insects, then a community is formed. That is called a community. And this is the last step for the cell, that is ecosystem. How, when, where ecosystem is formed? Ecosystem is formed when there is the combination of two same species. Means those are herbivores, only they eat plants, no any other kind of organisms like carnivores. Herbivores, they can't eat carnivores because of their food and their survival is with plants. Whenever there will be no any plant, then there will be no any survival for the herbivores to survive. They can't survive themselves. So thanks for listening me. So see you soon.